Hello friends, we are talking about black line following sensor in Firebird 5. First we discuss some agenda for this tutorial. First is principle of line following sensor, then location of line following sensor in Firebird 5, reading the analog value from line sensor on different surface, setting a threshold for line following, and the last is different cases while following black line. Principle of line following sensor. The line following sensor consists of bright red LED light and highly directional photo transistor. In this given figure there are three red LED transistor and photo transistor. Bright red light is made to fall on surface on which robot has to follow black line. The surface consists of both white and black color parts. The red light received by the photo transistor from white surface after reflection is more compared to black surface, as the leakage current from emitter to connected rise with amount of light that falls on the base of transistor. Hence, high analog voltage on white surface and low analog voltage on black surface. Then the next point is location of the line following sensor in Firebird 5. The position of the line sensor is just beside the caster wheel of Firebird 5. The location is shown as figure. The next point is reading the analog value from line sensor on different surface. Write a program to convert analog values from line sensor and displays to LCD screen. Then we take a reading of three line sensors on black surface and white surface. Adjust the potentiometer to have similar reading on all three sensors for particular surface. The next point is setting a threshold for black line following. Let us see how to set threshold for black line following. Then we have considered some value of three sensors on white surface similar between plus minus 5 and name that A. Then let us consider the value of all three sensors on black surface is similar plus minus 20 and name that value B. Now threshold value will be calculated as shown in formula. Then next point is different cases while following black line. Let us consider some different cases that robot faces while following black line. In the case 1, when black line is below the third line sensor, in this case robot should be made to turn soft right as shown in figure. In this case 2, when black line is below the second and third line sensor, in this case robot should be made to turn soft right. The next case is 3, when black line is below second line sensor, in this case robot should be made to go straight. In case 4, when black line is below first line sensor, robot should be made turn soft left. In the case 5, when black line is below the first and second sensor, in this case robot should be made to turn soft left. And the last case is 6. In this case, when black line is below all three line sensors, robot should be made to stop, and this case usually occurs when there is a node or junction on black line.